Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the features and performance of the Antminer K7. Let's get started. This unit boasts a hash rate of 63.5 th/s using the Eaglesong algorithm, striking a balance between power and efficiency with just 3080 watts of power consumption. Machine sounds at 75 dB and weighs in at 17.7 kilograms, including packaging. To get started, first connect the Antminer K7 63.5T to power using a C13 interface and hook it up to your network. Then, set up your mining pool, worker name, and mining address from the backend. Your miner is now ready to go. Once set up, the Antminer K7 consistently hits a hash rate of 66.4 th/s, maintains a power draw of about 2810 W, and keeps noise levels low at 73 dB. Now, let's talk about the Nervos network, or CKB, which is the cryptocurrency mined using this hardware. You can monitor your Antminer K7's performance, check the number of active miners, and view total hash rate and daily earnings through the mining pool dashboard. Keep in mind, your actual earnings will vary based on virtual currency price volatility, changes in mining difficulty, electricity costs, and pool fees. While the Antminer K7 is a powerful option for mining CKB, let's take a look at some other miners designed for the same task but with varying levels of performance and power consumption. First, we have the Gold Shell CK box, offering a hash rate of 1.05 th/s at a power consumption of 215 watts. It's an excellent choice for entry-level miners looking for efficiency. Next, the IB-Link BMN3 Mini steps up the game with 1.8 th/s, while consuming just 295 watts, providing a good balance between power and efficiency for small-scale mining operations. Finally, the Gold Shell CK Box 2, the upgraded version, delivers 2.1 th/s at 400 watts. This model enhances mining capability significantly without a huge jump in power requirement, making it suitable for miners who are looking to scale their operations efficiently. Each of these miners has its strengths, and your choice will depend on your specific mining goals and power efficiency needs. Comparing these models helps highlight how the Antminer K7 stands out in terms of raw power and potential earnings. In conclusion, the Antminer K7 63.5T sets a new standard for mining efficiency and performance. Whether you're new to mining or an experienced operator, it offers significant value. Thank you for watching this review brought to you by DCE Tech, Happy Mining, and we look forward to bringing you more updates. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Visit www.dceminer.com for more insights. See you next time.